Hey guys, so an interesting market update. As we can see in the previous video, I mentioned that we had some liquidity here and there was potential for price to take out the swing highs. And we can see that that happened quite extremely impulsively. Um, and of course, there are a lot of deeper fundamentals behind these impulsive moves, but for me I just like to stay focused on the technical, since that's how we will actually be able to get in on trades. So yeah, for the time being, even though EU is moving a lot, there's also not much happening at the same time. So if I focus here on the 15-minute, you can see that we're actually just stalling up here and creating a range. So what I would like to see is an impulsive breakout. I mean, it's possible it could just continue pushing up higher, but of course we want to get in some retracement trades since it has moved up so high already. So it'll be nice to see an impulsive breakout to the downside, leaving fresh supply that we can start trading from. So if I take you over to GU now, you can see it's a much more interesting pair. GU was of course already bullish, but unfortunately we got no entries to get in on this really nice bullish move. But of course, we can just look for retracement trades now. So we could see that, the retracement on the 4 hour is still quite away, but on the 15-minute, it's much more interesting. So if I go over here on the 15-minute, you can see it's not as rangy. It was previously looking very similar to EU, but on GU, you're getting that impulsive move to the downside, and we have created supply. So I just put the footprint here. You can see that 120 delta level, so that buy before the impulsive sell. What I'm waiting for is a retest of that level in this supply zone, and then we can, if we get confirmation, with our delta shift, then we can take some shorts to the downside, at least towards 50%. Of this overall range, which of course, if we reach that retracement level, we'll also have this. So we'll have the 4 hour minor break, which means price can then pull back into the fresh 4 hour supply, and we could potentially see if we head down lower into this demand. But after the 50% is complete, I will probably just wait for a reaction to this demand and continuing with the overall bullish trend. So yeah, that's what I am focusing on for today. And tomorrow we obviously have NFP, so a lot of volatility to come in the markets still. So let's just wait and see what we can get into.